What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix QR code scanner not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all force stop the camera app. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open the camera app and then click on force stop. Then from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after that the QR code scanner will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then move to the next solution. Now the next solution is on off the QR code scanner button. So open camera app, click on the settings icon on the top left corner, and here turn off and on scan QR codes button 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the QR code scanner will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is clear the cache memory of camera. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, open the camera app and then scroll down and click on storage. Now just simply click on the clear cache icon to clear the cache memory of camera. So just simply tap on this icon and then the cache memory will be removed. Now after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue while scanning the QR code, then the last solution is try updating your mobile software. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software, and after updating your mobile software, the QR code scanner will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.